All right, check this out. That was left under the seat. Whoo-hoo, making my money back already. Also found this. Oh, 50 cents. Holy shit. My Pico is supposed to come back tomorrow, being delivered back tomorrow. I didn't want to pull anything apart yet. I'm going to do a relative compression test on it and all that stuff, all that good stuff. But I ordered spark plug wires and one spark plug. Why one spark plug? Because I f***ed up. Chances are, when I go to remove the injectors, my luck, they're not going to come out without breaking. But those wires were like definitely arcing all over the place. Didn't misfire like an ignition misfire that you would think. Definitely was misfiring. Look at that. That's a misfire right there. Obviously because of the coolant. When I actually got the thing running, still had power, you know, because I got it running and I had to quickly get it into the driveway. It seemed to run fine to do that. Yeah, this is going to be interesting doing the head gaskets in one of this. Doesn't look too bad. Obviously you got a dashboard to contend with. All the gaskets and everything came yesterday. So I got all the parts to start on it, but like I said, I want to do relative compression test and see which one is actually bad, and you know, fart around with it a little bit, take a look. And I kind of don't want to take it apart because I want to use the Pico. Got the old all-tail hooked up. Channel A, I have my ignition. Channel B is my amp clamp. C is my coolant. I have a pressure transducer in there. D is the crankcase. We'll start it. Got it rolling. 5 second per division. It's a long time base. Sounds awesome. Let's see what we got. We got stuff? Yeah, we got stuff. This is where I find out nothing is set up right. Switched it up a little bit. I moved the pulse sensor over to the radiator and had to reset the blue channel. I made that AC coupled. You can see the pulses in the radiator for sure. Okay. Looks pretty nasty. There's a lot of shit going on there. That's a little better. I think I was too zoomed in. Pretty nasty. I'll have to look at the firing order. I'm assuming this is 1 and 1. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Bring this down so it's... Don't know if it's going to start, but let's see if I can get it to run. Runs. See what we got going on here. Purple looks a little more useful. Purple is the pulse sensor. And I hope that's not crankcase. Those are my cylinders. Fart around with some more. Alright. Let's stop it right here. I don't want it to run too long with that shit. Smoke. Oh yeah, look at all that. Nice. All right. Sweet, sweet smell. I used the in-cylinder pressure transducer. It seemed to work better. Listen to this shit. Watch. Come on. throttle. Holy moly! Obviously I would be checking for leaks afterwards. Down here it doesn't look like the pressure has rised any, so I'm not real confident on this pressure transducer test. Pulse sensor seems to work a lot better. I found out that my box wasn't working real good, so I got to retest all that shit at another time. But I found some cool stuff under here. I haven't even analyzed anything yet, but I know that bank 2 is the culprit so far. Ow! You see the manifold there? It's leaking right out of the manifold. It's cracked manifold. So hopefully the cats aren't destroyed. Or at least the one cat. I need a manifold as well. No big deal. Had to come off anyway. Alright, I got my pulse sensor to work. I'm sorry, I got the pulse sensor already working. I mean, I got my GM one. That's the tailpipe. Here's my setup. I'm using the GM pulse sensor on there. It's working better than the pressure sensors. I don't know what's up with that. This is what I got. It works way better than the pressure sensors. When it goes down, that's pressure. It's reversed on these, but it's way better. I don't know if there's something wrong with these, but neither of them, they work if I put it on my mouth and I start doing, you know, blowing and stuff like that, but I can't get it to work as well as this, or the pulse sensor. I like this much better. Try to zoom this in without losing too much of the detail. I feel like I have to smash on the damn mouse to get it to work. Steady, and then right around here is when it's, so 360 would be, that would be number 4. That would be number 4. And then a little bit of lag, I'm assuming. So it's 1, I forget the damn firing order already. Well, this is number 1, and that's got to be number 4. Here's my attempt to use the chart right here. Cylinder 4. Okay, power stroke. All right. It dips down. I can't see detail in there to see if it's, you know, doing it there. This is a screenshot. 2 and 4 are next to each other. A little bit of good news. Pulled the plugs out. This is 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. The only one with coolant on it is this one. It's pretty nasty under here, but that's all that shit's from the floor. Only one's got fluid on it, so that's kind of a good sign. I did break the coolant temperature sensor, trying to disconnect it, and the whole insides came out. No big deal, I'll just have to replace that. Probably would have broke anyway when I get the head off. Something I just saw here right now. Right there, I don't know if you can see it. I just noticed that now. It's got a little wire with some insulation rubbed through, and this was pinned up against the valve cover. I didn't see no rub through marks, but this was sandwiched underneath of it like it was routed wrong. But so hopefully I remember that. And actually it looks like that connector's been replaced before, going off of that there and all the great colors. It might be a newer throttle body, who knows. I'm probably just going to go and maybe put one plug in at a time. I just want to verify that it's only one cylinder. But Pico should be here today. The money shot, we move, that's the piston. It's hard to get in here, but I don't know what that is. That's the valve, obviously, but that is weird. I don't exactly know what that is. But what I am going to do is I have my smoke machine hooked up, and I probably should rotate this engine so the valves are shut. So I might. I got the pistons, they're piston down, the valves are mostly closed, I guess. Can't really tell. I'm pretty sure they're closed. I really wish I had a different borescope. I like this one, but coming in on the side of the head, I can't really get the angle. All I was able to look at was the cylinder wall. But do I have the? Oh, I don't have the flash on. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this, and I'm going to turn the smoke machine on, and I want to see. I don't know what that is. That might just be the design of the head, but it's pretty weird looking, whatever that is. I can see the smoke coming in already. Oh, there you go. Did you see that? Probably never going to be able to get that shot again. There you go. Come on, drip, drip, drip. That's a nice picture there. That's cylinder number 6. That's just after I checked the other one, number 6, and this is going back in number 4. I reorientate it, and you can actually see something going on. Now, I'm a little concerned because that's coolant at the bottom there. And you can see right there. I think that's just running down. That's what I'm going to assume, that it's running down. Because otherwise, it's a cracked block. At least I hope not. I couldn't get that shot again. But yeah, I'm probably filling that cylinder all the way up right now. Yeah, I guess it's time to start pulling it apart. That's where I'm at so far. I think I got everything that I need to take off. I gotta fix shit like that. And that vacuum hose is, it's like collapsed. There's the cracked manifold. Surprisingly, those bolts came out. Well, this is heavy. It's not just a straight up and out. Kind of have to use my elbows on this nice sharp stuff here. I'll figure it out. Got it out. It's pretty heavy. I can't see anything right now. Ooh, I do see something. That's not good. It's got a cracked head. All right. That's unfortunate. Yeah, that's a bummer. That's a bummer. I don't know if I can even find one of these heads. We'll see. See what the junkyard's got. I was hoping it was just a head gasket. But nope. Nope. Not a head gasket. Not a head gasket. No. Alright, gotta find a 4.3 liter head.